Do you have a Google account? Automate your most routine actions when working in Google Workspace and boost your document workflows in just a few clicks. Automatically schedule events in Google Calendar based on fill-in documents. Choose or create the workflow you need. Add a customizable template and configure the Create Event in Google Calendar bot. Then simply run your flows and enjoy the results. Simplify complex operations with spreadsheets, making data routing error-free and seamless. Choose or create the workflow. Add or create a document with tables. Configure the pre-fill from Google Sheets bot and run your flow. Keep your documents on hand once completed by automatically storing them in Google Drive. To do so, create a new flow or choose one you're working on. Add or create a new document or use one of the templates and configure the Save to Google Drive bot. Once you've finished, run your flow and enjoy the results. Run your document workflows like clockwork with Google Workspace and the airSlate Academy. Learn more by clicking the link in the description.